Hey guys, welcome back. I have another What I Eat in a Week weekly meal prep video for you. So to start, I'm just gonna jump right in. For breakfast, I made some bagel sandwiches. So there's egg, cheese, and sausage inside of this. And I made 4 of them. So I have them already prepared and saved into these silicone bags. And then the morning that I'm gonna eat them, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it in the toaster for a little bit to kind of warm up the cheese and the egg, and then that will be ready to go for breakfast. For lunch, I made these stuffed quinoa peppers. So these are bell peppers. There's quinoa that I made mixed in with some black beans and some corn, and I stuffed them into the bell pepper and then baked them. So I actually have a video of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description box down below for that. I also made some barbecue chicken with some potatoes. So this one, I have some drumsticks and then some potatoes that I cubed, baked them all together in a dish, and that is barbecue chicken. And then I actually made 2 different kinds of fish. So I bought 4 pieces of tilapia and I wanted to mix it up a little bit. So for this one, I used everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. And then I had roasted it with some asparagus and some garlic. And then this one, I used just a mixture of paprika, cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. So I have that, and then I added some black beans. Both of them, I have a little mixture of some rice with that. And that is actually it. So that's what I have. So I have these 4 meals, and then the breakfast meals, actually 5 meals, sorry, 5 different meals for the week. I'm gonna go ahead and link some of the recipes to these at the bottom of the description box. And if you guys like these videos, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be back for another weekly meal prep again. Thank you. Bye.